G'day, that slot car guy here, and welcome back to another delivery unboxing. Yes, we're back to delivery unboxings, and I can't wait to show you the cars that I have purchased from Simon Slot Cars, which you'll find him on Facebook. I have two cars in here, and one of the brands I have not yet shown on this channel, so I'm really excited to show it. So stick around. What are the two cars, and what is this mystery brand I have in this box? Welcome back to another delivery unboxing, and yes, I do have two slot cars to show you guys and unbox together, and I did purchase these from Simon Slot Cars, which you can find him on Facebook, and I put up his tag here. Highly recommend him. I've bought many slot cars from him, and he does have used slot cars in the original boxes and some weird and wonderful stuff that he does come across. So check him out. So thank you, mate, for sending him to me, and I did purchase these from him, so thanks, buddy. I appreciate it. But before we get into the cars, I want to say a huge thank you to everyone who joined my giveaway and armchairs giveaway. It was a massive success, I believe. I didn't think I was going to get 159 comments, and some of the comments were pretty hilarious, and I am reading through them going, oh, what have I done? So thank you. I will do more in the future. I definitely will. But a massive congrats to Mark Johnson, because he won the first one. So mate, you officially won my first giveaway. But thank you everyone for joining that. But please keep subscribing and liking, and let's get some more giveaways done. But what cars do I have? Let's get back to it. So Simon Slot Cars, thank you, mate. Let's get into it. Now, this brand I have not shown off yet, and of course, in the future, I'm going to do full teardowns, unboxings, hot laps. But this is just a quick unboxing, and the first one is MB Slot Cars. Now, some of you who are watching might not know who these, who MB Slot Cars are. Check them out. They do have a website, and I will put that up. And this is an Italian slot car company, and of course, a lot of slot car companies are from Europe. But beautiful. It is the Pagani Zonda F05 version, street version. We won't get into it any further, but I do think, and hit the comments, this might be the only Pagani Zonda slot car available. I don't know, is it? You don't see many, hence why I grabbed it, because I don't think there is many Pagani Zondas. Now this thing is truly, truly awesome, and we're going to go retro. I'm not going to say vintage, because it is, I think it was, no, it's not 80s, but I will give all these details in a full unboxing. But it is C330 by Scalextric, and of course, it's the mighty Porsche Carrera 911 RSR. Now this is a collector's edition. There's only 3,000 of them, but we will get into a full unboxing of this. But I think this is super cool. And of course, really good condition for the time. Whoops. And there's a little bit of damage to it, but I'll glue that back up. Happy purchase. So stay tuned. I've got some more cars coming. So there'll be some more unboxings coming, but I will try and get these out as a full teardown, hot lap, the full That Slot Car Guy experience. But as always, thanks guys for watching. Check me out on Instagram and of course on YouTube. Please share these videos, and I will be doing some more normal live streams soon so we can chat, and I'll bring some people on and we can have one-on-one chats. We can have all kinds of fun, because I had a blast on that last live. So thanks guys, take care, ciao.